Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville 920 XL. Pretty much what we did to it is it came into the shop for a couple of weeks, and when we opened the top, both the three-way valve, the boiler, and your steam assembly was leaking. So we did replace these two and replace all the O-rings on the boiler. And we tested it while the lid was off to make sure it wasn't leaking, and it stopped leaking. So now we're gonna do a few test shots. We're going to do one test shot, we're going to test the hot water, and we're going to test the steam because we did replace the three-way. We're using our test coffee place. We're going to brew a double shot. We did not calibrate the grounds to this bean, so don't worry about how it comes out, but it is coming out well. Now we're going to test the steam function. As you can see, running really well. Now we're going to test the hot water. As you can see, running well. And that's everything for this repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.